Okay, we are working with 7.1 in the red Big Ideas Record and Practice Journal, and today we are working with adjacent and vertical angles. When we talk about adjacent angles, we are talking about angles that share a common side and have the same vertex. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do those in blue. Okay, so, and I'm just going to do one of them. So share the same side or share a common side and have the same vertex. So angle ECA and angle ACB would be adjacent angles. They share a side and they have the same vertex of C. For vertical angles, I'm going to do those in red. A vertical angle has the same vertex and they're going to be congruent. They are sort of opposite of one another. So I'm going to go ECD is a vertical angle, and then I'm going to go ACB is also a vertical angle. Now, of course, we're going to have a vertical angle on this side too, BCD and ACE, because they share that same vertex of C. So vertical angles are essentially congruent, and they are sort of opposite of one another. So that's vertical and adjacent angles. Now we also have to do some math when we're dealing with vertical and adjacent angles. So here's the first math problem. We have x plus 42 and 2x plus 1. Now essentially these are equal because we know this angle is congruent to this angle. So we have to combine our like terms and then hopefully we'll come up with an answer. If we have x plus 42 on one side and 2x plus 1 on the other side, let's try to combine our like terms. Well, if we have plus 1 over here, let's subtract 1 so we get rid of it. So we're going to get 41 on this side. If we have an x over here, if we take away an x, we would take away an x on this side. So we're going to get 1x equals 41. Okay, 1x equals 41. Remember, 1x is the same as just saying x equals 41 as well. So that's kind of a tricky one. For this one, and actually before I go any further, this is problem number 1, this is problem number 5, and this is problem number 6. And this is again from your Record and Practice Journal. For problem number 6, it's kind of the same deal, maybe just a smidge easier. We're going to go x plus 96 plus 5x equals 180 degrees because it's a straight line. So we want to combine our like terms. So we're going to add 5x and x, give us a total of 6x. Let's just move that 6x over there. And then if we're adding 96, we have to do the opposite, which is subtract 96. So we're going to subtract 96 on that side, and we're going to come up with our answer when we subtract 96. We're going to get 84. So 180 minus 96 is 84. So I'm going to have 6x equals 84, and then I'm going to divide by 6 and divide by 6, and 84 divided by 6 would be 14. So your x is going to be equal to 14 for number 6. So we have just done 7.1 adjacent and vertical angles. We've done a few sample problems with adjacent and vertical, and then we actually solved a few algebra problems as well.